Are whoops like getting too light? So the Hummingbird, so this is their race spec, the ELRS version. It's 16.5 grams. Now, if you're a whoop pilot, you might think that is fantastic. All whoop pilots are trying to do is trying to put that weight down, reduce, reduce, reduce. However, I think that it comes at a cost. It's not going to be as durable, and that's not a good part for our hobby. Like if you're into F1 racing, why do we have those halos around the car? They would go faster without them. It's because we need them there for that protection to look after the people who are driving the car. We need, like, why do they have roll cages? Those safety things are important. And I know it's just the drone that's going to break, but I don't think it takes away from the experiences. And here's my wild idea. What happens if you held whoop races and you just said all drones have to be over 20 grams? If you don't build it over 20 grams, we put some weights on there to boost it up. You can still build it super light if you want to, but if it was on that 20-gram limit, which still feels crazy light to me, I think it would just let the community enjoy it more. So instead of, like, I'll give you a good, if you're a video game player, here's a good analogy. So often a lot of video games like Escape from Tarkov or some other ones really reward boring gameplay. You can sit there if you're playing against another player, just holding a position or like sneaking around and just camping a spot just to get the win, just so you can eliminate that other player. But is that fun? I wouldn't call it fun. I would call it like boring. And I would never want to play a video game like that. The same thing might be a little bit for racing. Like racing, it should be about fun first and foremost. So what happens if we just said, hey, just make it 20 grams, right? It doesn't need to be lower than that. If you do, we'll put some little extra weights on here. You can still build a lighter one than that and fly it around in your own house. But when it comes to racing, what happens if we just spec'd it at 20 grams? And then that lets frame designers, people who are like making products, they don't have to go ultra light and cut every bit of structural integrity and strength. They can just be like, yeah, we've got these limitations to work with. Here's what we want to do. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. I don't think it's the worst idea if I ran a Whoop chapter to say 20 grams is our weight. This is what we should work towards. So I don't know. Maybe I'm mad. Maybe I'm just like some weird Australian dude over on the other side of the world, down under, talking nonsense. But if you fly whoops, I think a 20-gram whoop is more than enough to have an awesome time. And I can attest to that, where I can't tell you the product's name. I was flying, Steve came over just the other day. We had a product that's under NDA. It flies around inside, I can tell you that much. It was like so much. We were laughing so much and having an awesome time just flying these things around. The kids are laughing. It was awesome. A couple of grams difference, I don't think would have made a lick of difference in how much fun we have. And sometimes we can forget about that. And when you're going to an FPV event, chances are it's for fun. Like maybe there's a very small amount of people that do it just to win, just to be the best of the best. But FPV is all about fun. That's the number one reason that we do this. So I don't know. I think whoops might be too light, and a 20-gram limit might be a great thing. Okay. If you got any questions, throw them in the chat. I still can't believe we've got over 100 viewers here, so thank you very much. If you're new to this, we're in, week out. Like, what made you tune in today? Let me know. I'd love to know what switch changed in YouTube or what got triggered, because it's great to have so many of you on here just talking FPV, sharing the love. One thing I do want to mention, though, is this bad boy. So let me, I can leave that lens protected.